got corner set. Starting on the second section of blocks to put the gravel in. They put dirt in behind the foam board. And then we'll move it on down a little bit at a time. Supposed to rain here in a little bit, so we're trying to get as much done as we can.
The only thing about using the same tractor is do the dirt as you do the gravel is contamination of dirt and the gravel.
Right. The wall is starting to go up a little bit. It'll be a slow process. We'll get her done.
Okay, I've come up with a solution for the where I need to put dirt in back here, so I'm going to be putting gravel on one side and dirt on the other. Well, on the backboard here, you need some kind of holes or slits or something to let water through but holds dirt back. So I'm going to use my little tool here. Make slits in there, and that should make it where water will go through, where dirt will be back behind it and will stay there where I want it. Didn't know what to do here. We have such a big channel behind it. I need gravel behind the rock wall to put a drain pipe in. So we're going to build like a little channel here with the gravel, and I have some foam board, and I'm going to put gravel and dirt, and build it up until I can fill it in. And once I reach a certain level, which will be 4 blocks, 2 more blocks higher than what it is right now, I will put just dirt. But this needs to be there for drainage. And this is what we're going to do. Hey, I can make a recording today without the wind blowing. So, yeah, it's going to rain though. That's why we're not doing anything. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the cloth, on this side to keep the dirt from going into the gravel. And on this side, this is where I was talking about. I have to fill this void in. So my wall was way out here, so I couldn't put the cloth on the side of the dirt like I did here. So I'm having to make an artificial wall or bank. So like I said, I'll use the styrofoam. I put slits in there all around so it'll let water in. And then the gravel will go up about midway of this block, and maybe to the top of it. But the rest will be finished with dirt. All of that rest of the void and the top of this will be filled to dirt with the top level of that row of blocks there, with a capstone, of course. And then this will carry on out. I opted not to put a drain pipe in here because I don't think it's necessary. This ground will absorb water easily. It doesn't really hold the water that well, so I don't think we're going to have a problem with the water staying behind the wall with the gravel bed and freezing and pushing the wall out or anything like that. I think we'll be fine. And then, of course, I got all that ways to go. But this is the final level here. It's 24 inches, about 26 once the cap is on. But that's the final level, and then it's going to taper down here, go down to a single block there. So yeah, and then same over there, it'll taper down until it goes to a single block. So we're on our way, but that's the final height of the wall right there, less the cap stone.